Hello and welcome back. Now, I want to look at Boost today because it's had a little bit of a facelift. Things have changed around a little bit. I actually think it works better in your workflow and things are much easier to access and see. Now, I'm going to start top left hand corner. We're currently in the Home tab. We've got Calendar, so I'm going to click Calendar. This is my calendar and what's coming up. Now, you can change your outlay here top right. I'm currently on week, but you can go to day or even month. But I'm just going to leave it on week. And while I'm here, I can add a new event. So remember, task and events are separated so you can organize them. So this is going to be an event and I'm going to put in catch up. Today's fine. I'm going to change the time. Let's say 4:30 to 5:30 add. So now you can see that come up on my calendar on Wednesday the 19th. So I can access that quickly. Now if I double tap it, I've got multiple options I can work with it here. I can come down the bottom here. I can add reminder if I want there as well. Let's say 5 minutes before. I can add a checklist. Now they've got templates. If I click on them, they've added, which are quite good. But you can add your own ones. They've got class, practical, exam, presentation, and meeting. If I go back to class and close it, but you can add your own checklist by clicking add your own. So I could put in, just put folder in, and then I can add a time to that. I'm going to spend doing it. So I'll say 30 minutes, click done. I can even add a note if I want there as well. I'll go back to details, click on the icon. You can even change the icon there if you wish. I'm going to put an apple, click done. Now colours are really important, so I'm just going to leave this on a yellowy colour and I'm done. Tap off it. So that's my first option I've added. So you can use that as a standard calendar, but if you go to account bottom left and click connected calendars, you can actually add your own calendar by clicking add calendar. It will show you here in the link online how to connect your calendar, and obviously that depends on what calendar you've got, so definitely have a look at that. Let's go back to home. So this is my first option. I want to come down to tasks. These are all my tasks that I've added that are coming up. Now this is great to have your tasks separated, because if I come top right, you can filter out what you're looking for. For example, due dates when they're due. But what I like what they've done here in the task section is they've separated it here. Look. So when I go to due dates, I've got today, next 7 days, later, or any time. If I go back to importance, and you can see how it's changed there with must do, will do, might do, no importance set. Tap it once and then you can change the due date. And I might go, actually, that's not must do. That might be might do. And then you can add a reminder if you want for that as well. And I'll do a day before, no, 2 days before. And tap off it. So you can change things quickly visually as you're working with your different tasks. I like that. It's much easier to filter out and see all in one. On the left there as well is reflect. You might be someone who likes to reflect on each day and how you're doing. So if I put some progress and click continue, then I could type in here what helped today and what got in the way and click. I'm going to skip on that, and then you can go look back. Then you can have a look back how well you did on those specific days and how you progressed. Click back on home. Now any priorities coming up, so I've got dog training. If I tap on it, depending on the date, which is already gone, and how important it is, this will come up as priority. But you can also share this with yourself or anyone else. If I click on the button here, link, I can now share that information with various applications or people if I wish. Click close. If you want to delete any, click the ellipsis. You can delete tasks or duplicate if it's something that needs to be duplicated from week to week. If I come down here and we've got see next priority task. If I tap on it, you can see my next priority task, which is on dissertation. These are gone, but if I tap on them, again, you can always change the dates and work with them. You can change the dates there. Also, when you tap on them, don't forget, you've got your checklist here. And you can tick off what you've done. There's my completed steps, or you can add stuff you've done. Or even add or even add the step there if you wish as well. Click close. So that's just a quick look at using Booost. Thanks for watching.